Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to boost your metabolism. Do you eat the same as always but find that you are gaining weight? You may be suffering the effects of low metabolism. Metabolism refers to the process by which the body breaks down food and generates energy. This energy is required for the body's physiochemical processes like respiration, digestion, and cell repair, among others. The minimum amount of energy that your body needs to carry out essential function is called the basal metabolic rate (BMR). There are also home remedies that can help when followed regularly with proper diet and exercise. These home remedies can increase your energy levels and give you good results within 4 to 6 weeks. Here are some remedies to boost your metabolism or BMR. Home remedy number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is very effective to boost metabolism. Squeeze the fresh juice of 1 lemon into a glass of warm water. Mix the lemon juice and water together well. Drink it first thing in the morning and before meals to increase your metabolism and lose weight. Home remedy number 2. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that enhance the body's fat burning process. Steep 1 green tea bag in cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the tea bag and enjoy your tea. Drink 1 cup at least twice daily to burn off excess fat and improve your metabolism. Home remedy number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar provides a host of health benefits. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of water. Mix well and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach to increase metabolism. Home remedy number 4. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper usually serves as a spice to add heat to your food, but this wondrous pepper is also used for medicinal purposes. You can add a pinch of organic cayenne pepper powder to your food while cooking, especially in stews and soups. Home remedy number 5. Coffee. Drink 1 cup of coffee daily as caffeine speeds up the central nervous system and consequently boosts the body's metabolic rate. Try drinking coffee without sugar to control your blood glucose levels. There are also home remedies that can help when followed regularly with proper diet and exercise. These home remedies can increase your energy levels and give you good results within 4 to 6 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.